Welcome to Akshara Max Academy. Today we are going to learn about the case study number 1 for the chapter triangles for grade 10. Shall we go for the case study? Not only for this chapter, for all the chapters case study is given. If you want, the link is given in the description. Please make use of it. For all the chapters, case study is given. If you want, please make use of it. Rohan wants to measure the distance of pond during the visit to his native. He makes a points A and B on the opposite vertex of the pond as shown in the figure. It is given in the figure. To find the distance between the points, he makes a right angle triangle using rope connecting B with another point C or the distance of 12 meter. Connecting C to the point D at a distance of 40 meter from the point C. The connecting D to the point A which are at a distance of 30 meter from the point D such that angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. Angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. This is the diagram. So this is, they told that ADC is a right angle, so I have marked as right angle. This is the pond, this is the pond. Okay. So first question what they asked is, which property of geometry will be used to find the distance of AC? 4 options is given. Next, second question. What is the distance of AC? 4 options is given. Third question. Which of the following does not form Pythagorean triplet? What is meant by Pythagorean triplet? You have learned in 8th standard. So fourth question is, find the length of AB. Find the length of the rope used. So these are the 5 questions. So we will go for the first question. Which of the property of a geometry will be used to find the distance of AC? You want to find out the distance of AC. So it is a right angle triangle. So it is right angle triangle. So it is a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle means we can use Pythagoras theorem. We cannot use similarity triangle. We cannot use the Thales theorem. We can use only the Pythagoras theorem. So option C is correct. So the next question. What is the distance of AC? What the question is they asked? What is the distance of AC? They asked the distance of AC they asked. So already I told it is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem we can say that hypotenuse square is equal to yes sir, tell me. Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Okay, so hypotenuse, right angle opposite side, right angle opposite. What is the right angle opposite? We can consider it as AC. We can consider it as AC the whole square. Then any 2 sides we can take it, that is AD the whole square plus DC the whole square. So AC the whole square is equal to AD the whole square plus DC the whole square. AC, what is the value of AC? AC value is, you can keep it as it is, AC the whole square, which is equal to AD square. What is AD value? 30 the whole square plus DC value 40 the whole square. So 30 square is 3 square is 9, so 900 plus 4 square is 16, so 1600. So it will become 2500. So AC value will be, this is AC square, so this is also AC square value. So AC value is 2000 under the root of 2500. So if you take it for 25, 5 will come. So this is 100. If you are taking root for 100, it will become 10, so it will become at 0. So AC value is 50. They are given as meter. So AC value is 15 meter. So option A is correct, 15 meter. Next, third question. Which of the following does not form a Pythagorean triplet? Which of the following does not form a Pythagorean triplet? So Pythagorean triplet in sense, if you take in the greater side, that will be if you square it, remaining 2 sides, if you square addition of remaining 2 sides, it is equal, means we can say that it is forms a Pythagorean triplet, and these 3 points will form a right angle triangle. For example, I am going to take 25 the whole square, which is equal, because when compared to these 3 sides 25 is greater, so that I am taking it in left hand side. So remaining is 7 the whole square plus 24 the whole square. 25 square is 625, 7 square is 49, 24 square is 576. If you add, it will become 625. This also, if you add, it will become 625. So this correct, sir. But the question what they ask is does not form. So first option is correct. So we can go for the second option. Second option, 17 is the greater. So 17 the whole square, which is equal to 15 the whole square plus 8 the whole square. 17 square is 289. 15 square is 225 plus 64. So if you add means 289 it will come. This also 289. So this option also correct. So we will go for the third option. What is the third option is given? 13. 13 the whole square, which is equal to 12 the whole square plus 5 the whole square. So 13 square is 169. 12 square is 144 plus 25. So this also will become 169. So this option also correct. So that means option D is correct, sir. So that also we will check it. So 28 the whole square, which is equal to 21 the whole square plus 20 the whole square. 28 square, so 21 the whole square, 441 plus 400. So it will become 841. We will check it. What is the value of 28 into 28? 8 8 is 64, remainder 6 carry. 2 8 is 16, 16 plus 6, 22. 2 8 is 16, remainder 1. 2 2 are 4 plus 1, 5. So 4, 8, 7. So 784 it is coming. So it is not equal to, so it does not form a Pythagorean triplet. So option D is correct. So fourth question, what is the length of AB? We know that already we have find it. Already we have find it out. Length of AB. What is the length of AB? Length of AB. Length of AB. Already we know that it is fully. So AB in sense AC means, for example, AB plus BC only AC. So they told to find out this portion measurement. So already we know that what is meant by AC means. What is meant by AC means AB plus BC. AB plus BC. AC length already we have find it as 50. So that I am going to substitute. AB value we want to find out. BC value already we know that it is 12. So just you take this 12 to this side. So 50 minus 12 is equal to AB. So AB is equal to 38. So meter, 38 meter. So option B is correct. So fifth question, find the length of the rope used. So what is the length of the rope used means? So you want to add all these things, sir. So you want to add all this thing. So what is this, sir? So 30 plus 40, 70, 70 plus 12 is 82. So these are used with the help of the rope only. We have made it as a triangle. So 30 plus 40 is 70, 70 plus 12 is 82. So option C is correct. So 82. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can please comment. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. If you like this video, please share to your friends. Thank you.